Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to provide or how to grant access to a user to start and stop specific Windows services using group policy. So I'll show you step by step each and everything. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user from my channel, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. So let's start. So this is my Windows domain controller, or you can say Active Directory server, and this machine is joined to the domain. Okay, let me show you. I will show you each and everything step by step so that each and everything will be clear to you. Okay, so you can see here this machine name is ABC and the machine is joined to the itparivar.lan domain. So this is fully qualified domain name or full device name of this machine. Okay, let me close this. Let me close this and let me go here. So this is Windows service. Okay, servicer.msc. Okay, and suppose here, one second. Let me close time. Suppose if you want to provide access to a domain user to start and stop services. Okay, see here, like we have service Windows time, Windows update. Okay, so just for an example, we'll take these two services. Here we can see the this user have not access to start and stop. Okay, start and stop. Okay, if we'll see to start it, let's see, it started. But for Windows time, you can see everything is grayed out. Start, stop, and other options are grayed out. Okay, so we'll try to provide this user to access so that this user will manage, this user can manage this Windows time service. In same way, you can provide access to multiple users using group. Okay, let me show you first. Here you can see the user is SKY. Okay, now let me jump on my domain controller and will try to provide access to this SKY user to start and stop Windows time service. In same way, you can manage other services, or you can provide start and stop access to users for multiple services. So let me open here group policy management. Okay, I have few group policies here. In same way, definitely you will have. So you can modify the existing one, or if you can create new group policy. Okay, so here I am going to show you just by creating new group policy, and we configure settings for provide access to users to start and stop specific services. So I'm going to name here like service access control hyphen GPU. Okay, let's say okay. So I have created this group policy under group policy object. Let's edit this group policy now. Right click to the group policy, edit, and go to policies under computer configuration. Go to Windows settings. Okay, then you need to go to the security settings, expand this, and here you will see system services. Okay, once you'll go to the system services, or once you'll select this system services folder, here you will see services name. So which service we are going to manage, or we are going to provide access to user SKY or whatever user you have. Okay, so for now I'm going to provide access to start and stop for Windows time. Okay, so Here you can see. So we have Windows time service here. What you need to do in same way, if you have to manage other services, you have to provide access to users to start and stop any other service. In same way, you can just select, right click and go to properties. Just click to define this policy settings. Okay. If you want to set service to start automatically or manually, you can select. For now, I am going to select automatic. Okay. Edit security. Here you can see one is system administrator and interactive. Okay. Users. So just you need to click to add button. Here I have user SKY. Okay. Which is already logged into this client PC. Okay. Here you can see, let me show you again so that it will be clear to you. Let me go here. You can see SKY. Okay. Now let me jump on domain controller. So it's yeah, you need to add here. Just do check names. Okay, and just select start and stop service. If you want to give full control, you can select full control. If you want to read, write or delete access as well, you can select. Okay. So for now, I'm going to grant access to this SKI user just to start, stop and pause services. Okay, going to apply, okay, and click to yes. And then again click to okay. You can see here, now it is saying configured. Okay, now let's close this and we need to uh, link this group policy so that it will be get applied to the client machine. So before linking, let me show you something. I'm going to open here Active Directory users and computers on my domain controller. So here we have, you know, a few OUs like HR team, IT team, and IT team computer. So in IT team computers OU, you can see we have ABC computer, okay, which is this computer, okay. I already shown you, okay. So if you want to link the group policy or if you want to apply the group policy for this computer only or for your computer only or for any specific computers only, you can link the group policy to the IT team computers OU or whatever OU you have where your servers are laying. Okay. If you want to apply the group policy for all domain computers, all domain joint computers, or for all users, you can link to the IT. You can link to the domain level. You can link to the root level. Okay. So here you can see my domain name is showing. In same year, your domain name will be visible. Okay. Let me minimize this Active Directory users and computers console. I hope this is clear now. Like how you can link the group policy and when you need to link group policy to the OU label or root label. Okay. If you have any confusion, just leave comment. Definitely, I'll try to um, respond. Okay. So here we can see all groups which were available. Sorry, all OUs which were available in the Active Directory users and computers. You can see here HR team, IT team, and IT team computer. So that computer, ABC computer was in this IT team computers OU. So if you want, okay, in same way you can link to the specific OU. Okay, just by going to right click, just select link an existing GPU and select that GPUs like service access control GPU. Okay, if you want to apply for all users again, just you need to, let me cancel this, just you need to right click to the domain name. Okay, link an existing GPU and then select service access control GPU and say okay. Again, you need to link to the root level or to the domain level if you want to apply for all computers. Okay, if you want to apply for few specific servers or few specific computers or users only, you can link to this respective OUs. Okay, or you can use group filtering. So If you have any doubt, like how we can push the group policy to the specific users, or using group security filtering, just leave your comment. Definitely I'll try to make another video. Okay, so for now, I linked here to the domain level so that it will be applied for all users, all computers, whatever users we have in HR team, IT team, or IT team computers. So okay, let's close this. Let's open CMD and run GP update space force. Okay, on domain controller. Once it will be completed, here on domain controller, we'll run GP update force on our client machine. Okay, computer policy update has completed successfully, and user policy update has completed successfully. Let's close this. Let's minimize, and let's go here. Okay, on this computer, let's, before doing GP update, let's validate if this user have access, or yes, access to start and stop service. So as of now, just for testing purpose, using group policy, we have given access to start and stop for this Windows time service. But you can see here it is not showing anything, or if you right click, everything is grayed out. Start, stop option, pause option, resume, all options are grayed out. So let's do one thing. Let's go to CMD on this client machine. Okay, CMD, and type here GP update space / force. In same way, you need to go to your client machine or computers where you want to apply the group policy, and run the GP update force command. Or if you don't want to run this GP update force command, you need to just wait for few minutes. The policy will be get pushed or get implemented automatically. It will take some time, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, this depend on your environment. Okay, you can see computer update has completed successfully. User policy update has completed successfully. Let's minimize or close this. Okay, let's refresh this. See here. Once I refreshed, you can see here start stop option is enabled now. Or if I'll right click here, you can see stop options, stop option highlighted. If you want, you can stop. See this user, SKY user, let me show you again. System is little bit working slow. Yes, SKY user is now able to start and stop this specific service, Windows time service. Let's right click and start. So see, after GP update force, GPU was implemented, group policy was implemented on this server, sorry, on this computer, and then the user to whom we have added in the security, in the group policy to start and stop Windows time service is now able to start and stop. Okay, so in same way, if you want, you can provide, or you can manage to manage the services, or manage to grant access to the users or group. Okay, you can see here for other services, everything is grayed out. So other service, this user cannot start. Okay, few services are enabled already. So this is by default feature, but you can see most of the services cannot be start by user. Okay, everything is grayed out. So in this way, you can manage particular services, or you can manage access. You can manage. You can add users to start and stop services. Okay, to specific services. In next video, we will see how we can manage the third party services using group policy. Means if any application, like if you have, if in your environment, if database services like SQL service or any other application services are running on remote servers or domain joined servers. And if you want to provide access to specific users to start those third party applications, okay, or stop third party applications, okay. So we'll see in the next video how we can manage using group policy um, for providing access to users to start stop specific services for third party. Okay, as I said, like maybe that could be the service SQL service, Google Chrome service, which is not on your domain controller. Okay, so basically on domain controllers, those in the group policy, those services will be visible only which will be available on your domain controller. So it's not possible to install all services on your domain controller to manage. But we'll see in the next video how we can manage third party services or third party application services uh, using group policy, and how we'll provide start and stop access to specific users for third party services. Okay, so guys, I hope for now this video will be helpful for you. Okay, so I'll request you again to please subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Okay, thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.